Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch to your phone. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and you have the Galaxy Wearable app downloaded from your App Store. Next, power on your Galaxy Watch by pressing and holding the home key, which is typically the top button on the right side. Keep your watch close to your phone, ideally within a few inches, to ensure a smooth and quick connection process. Once your watch is powered on and near your phone, a pairing request should appear on your phone's screen. You'll see a 6-digit code displayed on both your watch and your phone. Verify that these codes match exactly. Then, tap the Connect or Pair button on your phone to confirm the connection. You may also be prompted to grant several permissions, which are essential for your watch to access features like notifications and health data. After successful pairing, the Galaxy Wearable app will guide you through the final setup steps. This includes agreeing to terms and conditions and signing into your Samsung account. Signing in is crucial for backing up your watch data and accessing all of Samsung's integrated services. Take a few moments to explore the app and personalize your watch face, adjust notification settings, and select which apps you want to use on your wrist. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A simple restart of both your phone and your Galaxy Watch can often resolve minor glitches. Also, double-check that your Galaxy Wearable app is updated to its most recent version, as updates often include bug fixes. If problems persist, you might consider resetting your watch to its factory settings, which can be done through the watch's settings menu or the Wearable app.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.